Czech Republic. Location: the Czech Republic is a landlocked country in Central Europe. It is bordered by Germany to the west, Austria to the south, Slovakia to the east, and Poland to the northeast. Its capital and largest city is Prague. Capital: Prague is the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic. Known for its stunning architecture, including Prague Castle and Charles Bridge, Prague is a major cultural, economic, and political center of Central Europe. Population: the Czech Republic has a population of approximately 10.7 million people. The majority of the population is ethnically Czech, with small minorities of Slovaks, Germans, and others. Official language: the official language of the Czech Republic is Czech. It is a West Slavic language and is spoken by the vast majority of the population. Government: the Czech Republic is a parliamentary democracy with a bicameral parliament. The president is the head of state, while the prime minister is the head of government. The Czech Republic is a member of the European Union, EU, and NATO. Independence: the Czech Republic was formed on January 1, 1993, following the peaceful dissolution of Czechoslovakia. Prior to this, it had been part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire and later Czechoslovakia. Geography: the Czech Republic is characterized by diverse geography, including low-lying plains, rolling hills, and the Bohemian Massif mountain range. The country is known for its picturesque landscapes, including the Bohemian Paradise and Šumava National Park. Economy: the Czech Republic has a developed and export-oriented economy, with key industries including manufacturing, automotive, electronics, and services. Prague is a major financial and business hub, attracting foreign investment and tourism. Currency: the official currency of the Czech Republic is the Czech koruna, CZK. 1 koruna is subdivided into 100 haru. Culture: Czech culture is rich and diverse, with influences from both Eastern and Western Europe. The country is known for its contributions to literature, music, cinema, and architecture. Traditional Czech cuisine includes dishes such as goulash, dumplings, and Czech beer is famous worldwide. Religion: the Czech Republic is one of the least religious countries in Europe, with a significant portion of the population identifying as atheist or agnostic. The largest religious denomination is Roman Catholicism, followed by Protestantism and other faiths. Languages: Czech is the official language of the Czech Republic and is spoken by the majority of the population. English and German are also widely understood, particularly in tourist areas and among younger generations. Tourism: tourism is an important industry in the Czech Republic, with Prague being one of the most visited cities in Europe. Visitors are drawn to the country's rich history, stunning architecture, and cultural attractions, including UNESCO World Heritage Sites such as Český Krumlov and Kutná Hora. Environmental conservation: the Czech Republic is committed to environmental protection and conservation. It has several national parks, nature reserves, and protected areas, as well as initiatives to promote sustainable tourism and preserve biodiversity. International relations: the Czech Republic maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is an active member of international organizations such as the United Nations, the European Union, and NATO. It has strong ties with its neighbors in Central Europe and plays a key role in regional cooperation. The Czech Republic, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, offers visitors a unique and memorable experience. From exploring medieval castles and charming villages to enjoying cultural festivals and outdoor activities, there is something for everyone to enjoy in this beautiful country in the heart of Europe.